Today, I'll walk you through how to link items in Mondaycom, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to connect your project items seamlessly so you can enhance your workflow and collaboration. Let's get started. First, navigate to your project board on Mondaycom. You can do this by clicking on the link provided in the description below. This is where all the magic begins. Your project board is like the command center for your tasks. Once you're on your project board, look for the plus sign. This is your gateway to adding new features to your board. Click on that plus sign and you'll see a menu pop up. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same. Next, you want to select Connect Boards. This option allows you to link different boards together, creating a network of tasks and items. After clicking on Connect Boards, a new window will appear. Here, click on Select Boards to choose which boards you want to connect. Now you'll see a list of your available boards. Click on the project where the item you want to connect is located. This step is crucial as it establishes the link between your items. After selecting the appropriate board, make sure to check the box that says Set as Two-Way Connection. This ensures that any updates made on one board will reflect on the other, creating a dynamic link between them. Think of it as a bridge that allows information to flow freely. Once you've set that up, click on Connect Boards to finalize the linking process. Now it's time to create a mirror column. This feature allows you to display information from the connected board directly on your current board. Simply click on Create a Mirror Column to proceed. Next, select Status from the options. This will allow you to mirror the status of tasks from the connected board. Finally, choose the specific column that you want to mirror from the item that you connected. This step is like choosing which window to look through on your bridge. It gives you a clear view of the information you need. To ensure everything is working correctly, take a moment to test the setup. Check if the mirrored column reflects the status accurately. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully linked items in Mondaycom. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.